design our test cases inside this test plan.
Yeah.
So to design the test plan, so what we have to do after creating here, then we can just simply click here. Then it will allow us to go inside the test plan. Okay, and inside this test plan here you can see that we have the already a test suite here, and under this plan we can create a new suite. Okay, and please enter the suite name. So here we can put like positive. Okay, then we can create another one is like negative.
Yep. And then we can also, I can see that we can, on the test plan, we can actually assign the configuration. I can see that as well.
Yep. So after creating the positive and negative here, then what we're going to do, under this positive we can sorry, under this positive what we are going to do, we're going to create a test case. Okay, we can create the test case. So just create new. Okay, and here we can create the test case. But before I go create the test case, so here you can see this is how we can create the we can go inside the test suites, and inside the test suites we can create the positive and negative or like scenarios, and inside this scenario we are going to add like multiple scenarios. So what you can do, we can inside this positive also we can just click on these three dots, and we can just click on the new suite and give the suite name, let's say like buyer or execute with the positive valid email and password. We can we can actually also break down more if we want. So it
Yes.
depends on your test case, it depends on your how complex your project, based on that. Okay,
Yes.
so
This part is
I'm
important. This part
yep.
is the more complex your project or the more categorized that your team wants to see the test cases, you have to do that. And the more categorized you do, it is easier to see and identify down the path. Down the path means after 3 months, if you come back, if someone comes to review, they can see how organized, how categorized each of these test cases and test suite, they will be very happy. So yes, more categorized you do, the best.
Okay, so this is good. So now next one, I'm going to create the test case under this positive suite. Okay, so can you stop this recording and start again?